Tired of messy finances and late payments? Let's streamline your billing process and get you paid faster by creating professional customer invoices directly within Clockify. First, log into your Clockify account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Clockify to sign up for free. Once you're in, navigate to the Invoices tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the New Invoice button to start creating your invoice. This will open a blank invoice template. Now, let's populate the invoice. Start by selecting your client from the drop-down menu. If it's a new client, click New Client to add their details. Fill in the client's information like name, address, and any other relevant details. Be sure to include their email address so you can send the invoice directly. Next, enter the invoice number. Clockify will automatically increment the number for you, but you can customize it if needed. Also, set the invoice date and due date. Now for the important part, adding invoice items. You can add items manually or import time entries from your tracked projects. To add a time entry, click Add Time Entries. Search for the time you are going to be adding, select it, and then click Add. If you want to add manual items, click Add Item. Describe the service or product, enter the quantity, and the price per unit. Clockify will automatically calculate the total for each item. Add any notes or terms and conditions to the invoice. These can include payment instructions or late fee policies. Once you're satisfied with the invoice, click Save. You can then download it as a PDF or send it directly to your client via email through Clockify. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a professional invoice using Clockify. Start streamlining your finances today.